That's nice, Thomas. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm late for my mail delivery. That's good, Thomas. Now, if you'll excuse me, I must be ready for my next important job. Surprise! We were just trying to keep you busy while we got the party ready.
Thank you, Thomas. I always look splendid. Now don't just stand there. I have important coaches to pull. Some engines just have no sense of decorum, do they, Gordon? Surprise!
Thomas was so proud to have the birthday cake. He chuffed along the line, feeling very important. But as he began to take a shortcut on a less used track, he soon found that the journey back was not going to be smooth at all. Poor Thomas. He had never felt so lonely in his entire life. And so Thomas had a wonderful birthday party after all. He was surrounded by his friends and saw that even when things seemed to go wrong, they can often turn out to be the most splendid surprise.